I'm Tyler from Tyler Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my videos. Alright, so first I normally sit down at my desk, grab some paper and a pen, and I write down what I'm going to do for my video. But since I've already started my video, it is obviously going to be how I make a video, and I don't really need to put that on paper, but what I will put on paper is what I'm going to film about. So I will film about getting ready. I'll talk about setting up. And I will also talk about filming. And then editing. And finally, uploading the video. Okay, so to get ready for filming, what I do is plan out basically what I want to talk about. So I already showed you that. I am now setting up. All I have to do is set up my tripod. It's very easy. Now when I film, all I really do is normally I sit in my chair and I look at the camera and I talk about what I planned out that I'm going to talk about. I usually don't read it like I am in this video, but I figured I might as well. Okay, so I am going to be showing you what I see, but to you through this. So this is what I normally see. I see the camera and my door whenever I am filming. Alright, so now on. What I do is I go in and open Windows Live Movie Maker, and then I click to add photos and videos, and I will grab my intro, which is on my desktop, and I will open that, and I will also add, let's see, the screencast that I took for Windows 10, and I will put before the intro my actual video of me. So now I will get the video that I took there, and I will open that. So what I do is I will go through and I will see if the video looks good. So there I am sitting, but I don't want to do anything until I actually start talking. And as you can see, there are the voice, there you can see the voice below. So I will bring it all the way up to where I start to see some voice, and it looks like right here would be perfect because my mouth is closed. So I will play it. And I will stop right there. So I press the space bar to stop it, and then I just press split. So I will delete the part that I do not need, and then I will take the sound off of this video because I'm going to add in my own music. So I will just turn the volume down, and I will add in my own music after I finish. So right now it looks like this. Hi, I'm Tyler from Tyler Tech, and I'm going to be showing you Windows 10.1 technical preview on my HP Split X2. And then it goes into the intro. So, and then it'll bring back up my talking. Alright. So I know I messed up a few times since I already edited this once. So let's just listen to it. So this is Windows 10. This is the Windows technical preview for Windows 10. It is the evaluation copy, which is build 9841, as you can see down here in your screen. So, as you can tell, today is the... Hello everyone, Alright, so this is the Windows Technical Preview build 9841. This is the newest one I can have as of 6:22 p.m. on October 2nd, 2014. So, I'm just going to show you around the new features of Windows. And I know I mess up once again, so I will
Windows 10, they wanted to
somewhere around here.
They also have this new search feature, which
because
will search,
I know I messed up on this search.
And your the internet. Sorry. Alright, so this is the Windows Technical Preview build 90.
So this is where I finally got it right. I remember this from filming, so I'll put it right before that so I have a little bit of time for a transition. And then I will split the video and take out the bad part where I keep messing up. So right now, there is a lot that is good, except I know part of the way through, I was going to open up a video about the technical preview, but then I decided not to. So I would like to cut that out real quick. So I found right before the video opens, as you can see if I speed it up a little. And here's a video that would be playing with Joe Belfiore from the Windows team. So I will put it back before I even think about opening up the video, and I'll just keep my mouse over here towards the center. And I'll just split it. Oh wait, there's some sound, and I wanted to cut that out. So I will split it right there, and then go till the end of the video, which is right where I can see my voice. And I will put it a little bit before, so I can see whenever my voice starts to go. So I will stop it right there, and I will split it, delete the video part, and I see that I can take a little more off. So I'll take a little bit more off, and delete that. And then this is the end of it. So right here is the end.
Thank you for watching.
So that's the end now, and I will split it, delete this part, and I like to put the other video, I like to put the intro at the end. So I will copy it and paste it down here, but it accidentally got put up there, so I will cut it and paste it at the end. So now it's all good. And I will zoom out on the little preview so I can work with just my music. So I will go in and add my music from the music folder on the desktop, and I put this song on there for this video since I edited it yesterday. So I will trim the song down to where it actually starts, and I accidentally deleted this there. So right here is where the song actually starts, but I accidentally messed up my video, so there. So I'll split my music, and I'll delete the front, and here's my music. So as you can tell, it is really too loud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the volume down. What I normally do is turn it all the way down and turn it up one by using the arrow keys. And for the video, this one I remember yesterday I had to turn it up a little, and the other one I kept the same. So what I'll do now is I'll just copy this, and I'll just keep pasting it. And I seem to be getting bits and pieces, but that doesn't matter as long as there's music throughout the whole thing. So on the last part, I normally fade it out slowly, and I will normally fade it in slowly, so there's kind of a fade. So here is what the video looks like. If you don't want to see this, just fast forward through it. It'll be about 5 minutes long, so if you don't want to see it, just fast forward through it. Like I said, here you go.
I'm going to be showing you Windows 10.1 Technical
piece with X2.
Right, so this is the Windows Technical Preview, build 9841. And right here you have the new start menu. So you can search through your stuff here, like if I put internet. Right here it'll search Internet Explorer, and there's also search results that you can get from the Windows Store, and even some possible internet search results. So it'll bring it up through Bing. So the start menu is one main thing, and another main thing is that whenever you open any type of app, so I'm going to open an app that would normally show.
Alright, I'm going to fast forward this to the next clip real quick so that I can save some time.
Alright, so that is pretty much it, besides another change.
And I'll fast forward once again. And here's the end. And then it restarts itself. And just something to note, this is just the preview, and since it's using a bunch of power in the computer to do this, it will look blurry, but don't worry, it gets clear whenever you actually save it. So this is what you do to save the movie. You press File, Save Movie, and then you press, I normally press YouTube, but if you're not putting it on YouTube, I'd recommend the high definition display or computer. So I normally press YouTube and I save it, but I'm not going to save this one since I already have a one that I edited yesterday. So now I'll just show you how I put videos on YouTube real quick. So once I get to YouTube, I make sure I'm under Tyler Tech, so I just click on this little picture in the corner, wait for it to load, and see if I'm on Tyler Tech, which I know I already am because I checked earlier. So I will go to Upload, and then all I do is select a file, and then it'll have this upload process where you add in a description, a title, and you can add some little tags to help people find your video, so when they search for your video, those tags will help them find it. And then they just ask you to press save and publish up in this corner right here after you get through the process. And then what I do is, here I'll go under a link on here. I'll just go in and grab one of my videos, and I'll take the technical preview. And what I do, this is the one that I actually made yesterday. So what I will do is I will go to share, copy the code, and I will share it on social networks. That is pretty much all I need to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment down here, and subscribe where this channel settings thing is. That's where this